जस्ट अ क्विक रिमाइंडर टू नॉट वेस्ट अनदर ईयर। पिछले साल तुम्हारे कुछ तो गोल्स थे, कुछ तो एम्बिशंस थे, कुछ तो ड्रीम्स थी जो तुमने बस दबा के रख ली। यू विजुअलाइज देम, यू रियली थॉट कि इस साल तो अचीव कर लूंगा, एंड नाउ यू आर डूइंग द सेम मिस्टेक्स, नाउ यू मेकिंग द सेम मिस्टेक्स दैट यू मेड लास्ट ईयर। द ओनली डिफरेंस दैट विल ट्रूली मैटर इज कि लास्ट ईयर शायद तुमने उन गोल्स के टुवर्ड कुछ हैबिट्स नहीं बनाई, कुछ प्रोग्रेस नहीं करा। इस साल प्रोग्रेस करो। यू, मी, एवरीबडी, वी हैव दिस वर्जन ऑफ आवरसेल्व्स कि एक तो वर्जन है मेरा जो अपनी लाइफ के सारी प्रॉब्लम अटैक करता है, who really achieves in something in their life. Be that version this year for once. Don't rely on any external factors for once, genuinely, not even your own future self. Whenever you say कि मैं कल करूंगा, परसों करूंगा, एक हफ्ते बाद करूंगा, एक महीने बाद करूंगा, एक साल बाद करूंगा, what if your future self is saying the same damn thing? What if your future self is saying कि मैं एक साल बाद करूंगा, मैं 2 साल बाद करूंगा? Don't rely on your future self for once. Rely on your present self, on who you are right now. You cannot rely on anybody, anything. I saw like a photo from Pinterest in which Krishna ji and Arjun ji, and नीचे subtitles लिखे हैं, अर्जुन जी कह रहे कृष्णा जी को, प्रभु कुछ तो करिए, एंड कृष्णा जी कह रहे अर्जुन जी को, पार्थ कुछ तो करो। Imagine, even God is telling you कि कुछ तो करो. You cannot rely on anybody or anything. Yes, you can ask God for guidance, for help, and for support, but you cannot tell God to do it. God must do it through you, and for that you must do the things that you really need to do. तुम्हें पता है तुम्हें क्या करना है. You know what to do. Don't act like you don't know what to do. Okay? तुम्हें पता है अगर तुम्हारे academics lack कर रहे हैं तो तुम्हें अपना स्टडिंग रूटीन कंसिस्टेंट करना है. तुम्हें पता है कि अगर तुम्हारा फिजिक बुरा है तो तुम्हें पता है तुम्हें जिम जाना है. You know what to do. Just get that thing done this year. Please stop dwelling in that fear कि यार मैं थक जाऊंगा, ये हो जाएगा, वो हो जाएगा. That's the fear of comfort. You want comfort. I know you want comfort. But here's the thing. हम अपनी लाइफ को ना, if you could imagine your life was a car. You are in the back seat, and you know who's driving your car? It's your desire for comfort. It's your desire. It's your laziness. That's who's driving your car. And तुम इस ड्राइवर को जितना भी बोल लो ना कि इस डायरेक्शन में मत जाओ, उस डायरेक्शन में जा, मेरे को अपनी लाइफ में ये करना है, वो करना है, मेरे को तो ये वो, it's not going to listen to you. Do you really think your desire for comfort is going to listen to your aspirations, your dreams, your goals? No. तुम जितना भी कह लो इसको कि यार लेफ्ट मत जा, राइट जा, लेफ्ट में दिस डिस्ट्रक्शन, राइट में दिस समथिंग दैट आई कैन अचीव इन द फ्यूचर, it's not going to listen to you. Why? Because it wants comfort, because it wants to be comfortable. Until and unless this year you actually decide to change, you actually put your emotions, your desire for comfort, your laziness in the backseat and actually get hold of the steering wheel. Until and unless you don't do that, you're not going to be able to change your life. ठीक है, चेंजिंग योर लाइफ इज सच अ वेग टर्म. किस एरिया में चेंज करना है, क्या करना है, अपने आप को इम्प्रूव करना है, कोई भी एरिया में. इट्स ऑल अबाउट सेल्फ इम्प्रूवमेंट. यू नो व्हाट इज द इम्प्रूवमेंट वंस अगेन इफ यू डोंट गिव इट अ ट्राई. लिटरली आई प्रॉमिस यू नो व्हाट टू डू. मेरा पेन गिर गया. शिट. You know what to do this year. You had aspirations, you had goals, you had dreams. I want you to write down, I want you to do this action step with me. I have a piece of paper and I want you to write down 2 to 3 things that you want to get done this year. And here's the thing. First of all, listen to me. This motivation that you're having right now is going to die out in another hour when you have watched another 100 YouTube shorts and reels and videos. It's going to die out. It's completely going to die out. You won't remember this video in another hour. You have to have something that will hold you accountable. I want you to write down on a piece of paper क्या goals है तुम्हारे इस साल के लिए, क्या goals हैं. I'm writing down mine. मेरे को academics ठीक करना है. Another goal is to be consistent on YouTube. Another goal is to get very fitness oriented this year. I have been exercising, but I've not been doing the kind of exercises that I want to do. It's simple as that. I had been doing cardio, and this year I want to do more of muscle-oriented exercises. Grab a piece of paper. Genuinely, do it right now. Do it right now. I want just something that could keep you accountable. Anything that could keep you accountable for doing the right things this year. or else you won't remember this video at all. This will be just another video on your home page, on your feed on YouTube, which is in which there's a guy just shouting at you कि इस साल कुछ तो कर लो. Make this video stick with you for once. Of course, you can subscribe the channel also, because that will be also a good reminder. I'll be uploading more videos like this. But more important, have this piece of paper and stick it to your wall. Stick it to your wall. As simple as that. And I want you to let that paper hold you accountable. जब भी तुम उस पेपर को देखो, if you're scrolling on reels, if you're wasting your time, I want you to realize कि ये साल भी waste नहीं होना चाहिए यार. ये साल भी वैसा नहीं जाना चाहिए जैसे पिछले कुछ साल गए हैं, where you had just been wasting your time on random shit. Take charge this year for once. Get hold of the wheel for once. I hope you liked this video. I hope this video helped you. Moreover, if it did, then consider subscribing the channel. Goodbye. Jai Shri Krishna.